Swinburne University of Technology.
I'm Nick Grainger, and I'm a senior lecturer in the Faculty of ICT. The Project Management Master's degree that we've just launched a year ago is really focusing on developing knowledge and skills for managing IT projects. You might wonder, well, aren't there lots of project management degrees around already? And yes, there are, but there are very few that focus on IT. And we've come to absolutely be convinced that managing IT projects is different to regular projects. When you're building, a road or a building or something like that, IT is quite different. And so our degree absolutely reflects that difference. And it covers all sorts of things, from the sort of basics of managing projects through to really looking at the global work, or the global implications of managing very large projects. So looking at the virtual communications, portfolios and programs of projects, the resource management of very large projects and things like that. Makes it a very unique degree. In terms of skills, they certainly will learn about some of the ways of managing people and of presenting and working with groups and that sort of thing, so-called generic skills. But the knowledge we try to help them develop is really about the whole broader aspect of managing information systems in organizations for one degree. So that includes everything from aligning strategy of the organization to information systems. It includes things like outsourcing, managing the capability of IT in an organization, managing transformation that can come with IT in organizations, through to basic stuff about database design and stuff like that. That's really sort of the core of the Master of Information Systems Management. The beauty of both these degrees is that they can actually work in all sorts of industries. They will end up working in information systems management or IT project management, but that could involve anything from banking through to fashion, to retailing, to travel. It can take people into absolutely any industry, but it will be working at that interface between IT and the business, absolutely with the system. So it's not about programming, it's working at that interface between the systems and people in an organization. Students should think about this area because there's just a huge amount of work in it. There are constant adverts for project managers and people working in projects, so there's a lot of work in projects, and they should do it at Swinburne because Swinburne is unusually close to industry for a university. And Swinburne is absolutely focused on having very close involvement with industry in the design and the development and the continuation of our units. Not only that, but the people teaching these units are practitioners. They're practitioners with an academic bent, academic interest and qualification, but they're practitioners at heart. And that makes us for a truly great sort of postgraduate degree.